Hey, salam, peace and blessings, everyone. So let me come on here just to share some motivation. As I'm out here heading, enjoying this beautiful day and actually heading to the store. But yeah, I definitely want to share. This is what the Most High has been sharing with me this season, my life. So yeah, it's in Proverbs 18:16. It says, "A man's gift will make room for him and bring you amongst great men or amongst kings." Right? Some versions will say kings, or some say great men. And what does that mean? So it means that the gift that the Most High, the Creator, has given you, it will open doors for you. It will give you opportunities. The scripture also says that you're fearfully and wonderfully made. So you have certain gifts. We all have different gifts and talents, and it's up to us to tap into them. He's not going to do them for us, you know. And some of us know what our gifts are, and some don't know, right? And I would definitely encourage, definitely having a relationship with the Creator definitely reveals to us who we are. But like I said, if you discover already what your gifts are, I think another step too is also learning how to market our gifts. To how to be able to utilize our gift, in the marketplace, in the world, and how to be a blessing to other people. So definitely, I wanted to share this. Definitely, people like athletes or musicians, and they focus on they call it the craft, right? So it's the same thing, like learning your gift and believe, be able to believe that your gift will make room for you, that it will actually not only help pay your bills, but be able to, make a living off your gift, So just, I think is first of all believing in the Creator, believing in the Most High, and then believing in the gift that in the calling that He's given to your life. You have a special gift that nobody else have, and assignment, that's assigned to you. Right? So be able to tap into your gift, be able to learn, market yourself. Some of us are, extroverts. Some of us are introverts. It doesn't matter. He will give you, when you get closer to Him, He will give you the strength and wisdom how to utilize your gift, and also be able to market it, be able to share, your gift, And some of us are to be upfront, with our gifts, or some of us to be behind the scenes with our gift. What does that mean? To be able to partner with someone else and everything. But, regardless of what, your gift are, to be able to believe, first of all, in the Creator, and believe in yourself, and believe in your gift, and your gift will make room for you. It will bring you amongst kings. It will bring you amongst great men. So the power of believing is very important. Believing in the assignment that He's given to you, the gift. So I just wanted to share this with y'all. I hope this was helpful to someone. Like I said, believe in the Most High, the Creator, and then believe in the gift that He's assigned to you, and your gift will make room for you. It will open doors. It will bring you amongst kings. It will bring you amongst great men. So, all right, y'all have a blessed day. Salama, peace and blessings.